Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'm going to show you how to take out the turn signal bulb out of the headlight assembly on your 2001 Ford Ranger. This should be the same process on a 2001 to a 2011, and I'll kind of show you a few tips and tricks along the way that some of the other videos on the internet may not show you. And before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back. One of my subscribers will. And don't forget to sub the channel. I got a lot of great content coming out every week. You don't want to miss anything. Let's get rolling on this. Alright, so what you want to do when you're taking the headlight out is you're going to want to remove these two bolts right here. They're 7/32. You're going to need a 7/32 socket. And if you have like a ratchet, just throw one on the ratchet. I'm going to use my cordless drill right here to kind of make it faster. I'll take it off in 1 second. If you don't take this plastic trim off, if you remove the headlight, you can break this piece of plastic. It can get pretty brittle over the years, so you don't want to risk doing that. So I'm going to tell you to remove it. And other than that, it's a pretty simple process. This will come right off, just like that. And then to remove the headlight, there's two slides behind it. So you're going to pull up on this slide, and there's a tab over here. You're going to pull up on that tab. Now, one thing to be careful of is if you pull these tabs too far up, the headlight won't come out because it'll catch on these tabs. If that is the case, push them down a little bit, and the headlight should fall right out just like that for you. I don't want to have you guys make any rookie mistakes. So you pull this right out like that. So to remove and change the turn signal bulb, there's two tabs on the back of the socket. There's one on the bottom, one on the top. So you're going to gently pry those. You don't need to move them much because they can be brittle. So that is free. So now all you need to do is twist the socket and turn, and your bulb is right here. So it should pull right out. And this one's amber. So pull right out, and then all you need to do is put the bulb right back in the socket. It'll push right back into place if you have a replacement one. And then there's a couple tabs on the socket right there. So you're going to line them up with the holes on the back of the headlight. So you're going to push, twist, and lock it into place. And then plug your harness back in. So just put the headlight assembly back in. There's a couple little tabs in there. These little tabs right here, there's three of them. There's they're not tabs, they're pins. So there's one here, there's one down on the other side, and here it's hard to see it. Shine some light down there. It's down over here, and this one at the top left over here. What there is there's three holes in there you got to line them up with. So you can see one of the holes right down there. There's another one near the top, and there's one on the other side to line up. So you're going to line those up and push the headlight assembly back in. So you have them lined up. I'll line my top one up right there. It should go right back into place for you. And then the locking tabs, you're going to slide those down. This on that side. And push this in. And lock down on that side. Now we're back in business. So now that you've done that, put that trim piece back on. You're going to line it up. Grab the screws you took out. That's back together. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do on this truck. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you have any comments or question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.